Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing great. So today I have come with an interesting and easy video on making these beautiful butterflies. Yes, these butterflies are easy to make and they go really well with your dresses or hair accessories. Friends, I would like to share a few words before I jump into the video. See, the joy of making these with your own hands, and that too at your home, and decorating your little one's hair with these beautiful butterflies cannot be expressed but only experienced. You need to experience this joy. And you know the best part of crafting is it just takes you out to a new world where you forget all your worries and get involved in creating beautiful things with your hands. And the main focus will always be on what you're doing and how you're doing and how it's going to come out. And after you finish your craft, you will definitely be surprised to believe your eyes that you made this beautiful craft. Trust me, this will not stop with one. You will make more time to dive into this art of flower making. So without any further delay, I welcome you all into this new video of making these beautiful butterflies with ribbons. And one more thing, not necessary that you have to always do with ribbons. You can also choose a cloth. Satin cloths are also available in stores, so you can get a satin cloth and cut them into the required size you need. Here I have made this one butterfly just to show you an example. I have used a cloth which is already there with me. This is a cotton cloth which I already have, just to show you all that even with these cloths you can make beautiful flowers and butterflies. So this is the butterfly which I have made out of this cloth using the same technique I made with the ribbon flower. Fine. So friends, for today's video we need the following materials. I have taken 4 pieces of light blue ribbon which measures 2 inches each. So 2 inches, 4 pieces of light blue, and again 2 inch dark blue, 2 pieces, 1 inch white ribbon, 1 piece, and 2 green color ribbons which again measures 1 inch. So these are the ribbons that you need for making the butterfly. And scissors, a lighter or a candle, whichever you have. See, in the center you can either use beads like this, okay, or you can also use a chain like this in the center. This chain will be easily available in the market for you, so just take a small piece. I have used in white stones one, so today I'll show you how to make with this. So for this I need a white bead chain and of course glue gun. So let's begin with the butterflies. I've taken 1 ribbon. This technique which is already shared with you all in the previous videos. Fold it into half and again like this. Make a small triangle. Then take another ribbon, dark blue this time. Place them one over the other but not directly like this, okay? Put the second ribbon little below the first one and then pushing it in the center. So this is half. We are going to make the first petal. So here I'm going to cut off the extra pieces. With the help of a tweezer, I'm going to seal the ends. Okay, let me do another one. So here you can just measure them exactly where you have to cut so that you don't make one petal big and the other one small. So that's the reason I have kept the other ribbon on hold. let's cut the bottom part. I'm going to cut it. Now coming to this is the second model which I have taught you in my video. So what you have to do is fold it into half, bring them together like this, okay, and then push this back. That's it. This time we are going to make a, okay, now take out the extras. Let's see that. So this is how it's gonna come for us. See, almost half of the butterfly is done for us. Here I'm cutting the extra part. Okay, so the main parts of our butterflies are done. Now this is another piece. So both these techniques I have already discussed. I've already taught you all in the previous videos. So anyone who is watching it for the first time, a link will be provided in the description box for your reference. Okay, so here we are done with these two. So for a butterfly, we need this, whichever you want. So now I have my glue gun ready and hot. So let's start assembling them. Take now take a white ribbon, a little glue. Be careful when you keep attaching the ribbons. Don't apply too much of glue. It will be shown later, and that's not what we want. This. That's all. See, it is so easy and so quick. And very easy to make. The final part is just placing this in the center. You can use anything. You can just place a big kundan in the center. Even then it will be fine. Apply a little glue. Then place it in the center. So after attaching it, it comes out like this. Very easy, friends. So I want you all to give a try and see. Okay, if you have a cloth, you can also use a cloth like this just to practice. Okay, it's very easy, very quick. Now I'm going to show you how to attach it to this TikTok clip, so you can immediately put it for your little ones. So here I've taken a small piece, just folding it like this. You can use felt sheet. Just in case if you don't have felt sheet, you can use it this way. I just wanted to show you all with the ribbon. apply glue, place this like this. Okay, apply glue over here. This time I did not take any felt circle. You can also use it like this. Okay, just seal the ends. Fine, now apply glue. And place it. This. That's all. We are done with our butterfly. These are some of the butterflies that I have made for you all. Just to give you all an idea how to make different colors, combinations that you can try it out at home. And this is with a cloth that I have tried. You will enjoy once you start doing it. So I request every one of you to please start crafting. Not only ribbons, any craft which you're interested, do give it a try, because that will make your mind relaxed and pull you away from this world of stress into a new world of creativity. So please do try, friends, and let me know. And one more important information that I would like to share with you all is, if any of you all are interested in buying butterfly, I will share the link. I'll share the related information in the description box. If you are interested in buying any of these flowers, do let me know. I'll take the orders from you all. Click on my Instagram and Facebook page and please check out any other models which you're interested in. And we are open for taking orders on the ribbon flowers. And we also do a lot of hair accessories with these ribbons. Thank you. Bye. Happy crafting. Stay home, stay happy, and keep smiling.